Hello, and welcome to How to Use Dynamics 365 Enterprise's service and project modules to manage your internal maintenance, repair and overhaul requirements. Presented by Clients First Business Solutions, putting clients and their business first. That's what Clients First Business Solutions is all about. The service management module can be used to manage not only customer service orders but also internal service orders. That's what we will focus on in this video. Service agreements can be set up for recurring preventative maintenance. Service orders can be created automatically from service agreements based on the service interval selected. Service intervals are user-defined and flexible. Note: service orders can also be created on the fly for managing non-recurring services like repairs. Service tasks describe what work needs to be performed. Notes and files can be attached to the service task to increase visibility as well as improve communication. Service objects are used to keep track of what is being maintained, such as machinery and equipment. A bill of material template can be attached to the machinery or equipment and maintained for easy reference and assist in fast, accurate replacement ordering. Repair lines allow a technician to record what repairs were completed for the service order. Repair lines allow information about the repair to be captured: condition, system area, system code, description, diagnosis area, diagnosis code and resolution are user-definable drop-down lists to aid with knowledge base, reporting and analysis. Note: these repair lines can not only be viewed from a service order but also from the service object itself, allowing you to view the history of maintenance and repair tasks that have been performed. Let's take a look at a service order. I will show you how easy it is to record the part numbers utilized as well as record the time spent performing the required tasks. Note: you may also add any other expenses that are related to the completion of the service order. The parts inventory on hand will be reduced and all related expenses will be allocated appropriately to the maintenance costs of the equipment or machinery. The Service Management module is based on the Project Management and Accounting module. This provides several opportunities for managing an organization's assets. Projects are an umbrella that will allow your organization to track not only service orders, manage the scheduling of them, but also track actual costs versus budgeted costs. If projects are set up according to the asset as I'm demonstrating here, you will also be able to track capital improvements. If the asset is utilized in production, you can create a production order from the project to schedule the maintenance. You may also quickly view all the service order history related to the asset. This will provide visibility within your organization and give your planners and managers the information they need to stay abreast of operations. Note the other features such as budget, forecast, collaboration and some of the reporting options that are available for your use. Dynamics 365 Enterprise offers the building blocks and flexibility we need to streamline your internal maintenance, repair and overhaul processes. Clients First is a national organization servicing an international client base. Our team has years of experience, loads of expertise, and we never forget our successes based on that of our clients. Clients First has experience in all versions of Dynamics 365 Enterprise. We would love to assist your organization in increasing productivity. Please contact us today.